Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Stephen Gagnon. The JSE was down nearly 2.25% today, closing at 26,179 points. We spoke to Kevin Algio from Amara SP Reid looking at today's trade.
Market's certainly under pressure. We did have a recovery rally of 500 points yesterday, but it hasn't been able to hold today. Asian market started lower, and Europe as well as our market followed it lower. The markets are definitely spooked, and there's a lot of information that's coming out which we're struggling to digest, as it were.
The Nigerian markets ended the day down by 1.87% to close at 25,908 points. We spoke to Samuel Chidoka of Dunloran Merrifield looking at the volumes on the NSE.
Looking at the market very closely today, we noticed that the market has continued its downward trend, which for us is worrying because in recent past we've noticed that volumes have gone down. And we've noticed that the kind of activities that we had seen in the recent past has sort of slowed, and there's a lull in the market right now. And what we noticed also is that the main volume drivers, which were the foreign investors, are no longer putting in bids as they used to, and that has adversely affected the market. We're tempted to think that this might be an offshoot of what is happening in Europe, but only time will tell what is really happening to the market right now.
The NSE 20 ended the day flat at 4,320 points. We spoke to Fred Muturi of Sterling Investment Bank looking at the MPC decision.
You know, the MPC gave reasons why they maintained the CBR at 6.75. But what we glean from the reasons they gave is that it seems that the reduction of the CBR rate is working, in that it gives a direction to the financial sector that the direction the interest rate should be going based on the central bank perception. And the central bank prefers the interest rate to be depressed, and we are seeing it working because the interest rates have been going down. The market interest rate for most treasury bonds have been going down, and therefore perhaps central bank felt that there is some more room to go down for interest rates to be further depressed. Hence they maintained it that way.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.